Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop back at my channel. Okay, today I am doing a DIY for Easter, so I hope this goes well. It's going to be mostly, I can't say it's all going to be Dollar Tree, but a lot of it is coming from the Dollar Tree. I'm using the flower and garden can from the Dollar Tree. I'm using a bunch of my flowers that I recycled from an old project that I did, so I'm recycling them. That is from the Dollar Tree. Also, my grass here that I'm using is from the Dollar Tree. The only thing that is not from the Dollar Tree will be these eggs, and these were $2.84 at Walmart. And then last thing I got was this, and this is a topiary. Originally this was $9.99 and it was discounted to $2.50. It was broken. We can work with that. I don't mind paying $2.50, way better than paying $9.99. So this is actually based on a Target picture that I saw, and their Target, at Target it was $19.99 for this topiary. So let's get started and see how this turns out, because you're coming along with me for the ride. Alright guys, I'm going to turn you around so we can get started now. Okay, so the first thing I am going to do is I am going to hot glue this portion of the topiary in to my container. These all came from the Dollar Tree. These glue sticks all came from the Dollar Tree. So they were the only thing I forgot to mention. First I was going to use this one, which is also from the Dollar Tree, but I decided, no, I really love this flower and garden. It'd be more like springtime anyway. So the first thing I am going to do is I am going to take this, put hot glue all on it. So, you know, I will be speeding up some of this so you don't have to watch me do all the steps, but you will see most of them. Next thing I'm going to do is drop a little hot glue into this hole because this was broken. Okay. Okay, so that's the first thing that I am going to do. The next thing I am going to do is I am going to take this and I am going to glue it on here, and also I have to hot glue it onto the top of this. So this part will be speeded up for you guys, so you don't have to go through all that with me. This is my Easter egg tree right here. I'll be showing you later. Alright guys, so I am going to get started here. You will see this process sped up. So what I'm doing now is I'm just separating all of this. I'm separating it into like little workable chunks. And you just want to be careful of the glue to make sure that, you know, you don't get burnt because it is really hot. So far this is looking pretty good, I have to say. I don't know about you, but I've never made one of these before, so I think it's going okay. Guys, so I did the whole thing, and I know you could see some of it inside, but that doesn't matter because we are going to be gluing, hot gluing these eggs on there as well. Okay guys, so I am just adding some in here, just a little bit here and there, because I do want to get it filled with some of this grass here. I know I'm not being that careful with it. That's because this is also going to be filled with some roses at the bottom. So what I did is I have a skewer here. I am going to put just a couple little holes in here, so to have my roses go down inside. So and now I'm going to go inside and fill the inside. Okay, so this is the bottom, how the bottom is looking. I think that turned out really nice. Now the next thing we are going to do is I'm going to flip you back up here, and we're going to start the process of the Easter eggs. So I have, these are really, really cute. So they are going to go, oh, this one has a little dent in it, so I'll put it like that, okay? So I'll also probably be speeding this up too. Like this little ribbon here, I'm thinking about putting it on there. Alright guys, so this is my Easter topiary. I think I'm gonna try to find another egg or so, put one on here and another one maybe up there, but really I don't want it over full because you'll see the picture, it wasn't over full on the picture. Okay guys, so this is completed. I hope that you enjoyed this video. This is not exactly like the Target one. I changed it up a little bit. They didn't have the flowers and they didn't have this bucket, but I hope that you did enjoy this video. It was easy. It was a little difficult keeping this green stuff on. So what I did in the bathroom is I took this in because a lot of this stuff was falling off the bottom here into my roses. So what I did is I took this into the bathroom and I hairsprayed it. So you see it's a little shiny now. My eggs are a little bit shiny. So that's why, because I hairsprayed it, pushed all of this grass back in, and now the grass is even a little bit greener than it was before. I added this bow. The bow came from this this jar here. It came from there. So and then I glued 2 more of the eggs at the bottom, you know, just to hide where I tied the bow on. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!